Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Tina Brady. I'm coming to you guys today to do a little bit of a review slash look on the Colored Raine Vivid Pigment Shadows. This is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful colors. So each individual shade is $6.99 if you buy it on its own. And then if you buy the bundle, which would be all of the shades, it would be $45. If you want to just get the magnetic palette, it would be $11.99. And then 16 shades, and all of the shades are cruelty-free as well as vegan, except for the one color here, which is called Unbothered, and that one has carmine in it. That would be the only one that's not vegan. So I'm going to go through the colors with you guys, and I'm going to attempt to do some swatches. I've never actually done swatches on my channel yet, but I'm going to try for you guys. So this is it. And the first color right here is Lemon Drop, Party Drip, Drip Drop, Splash, Sauce, Purp Smurf, Crushin, Bossed Up, Level Up. You hear that, Sierra? Level up, level up, level up. Sorry. And then this one here is Yacht Life. This one is Cute, Jet Set, Squad, Unbothered, Vibez, and Neo Blue. Those are the colors. I've actually done one look with this palette so far, and actually struggled doing it in the beginning because there are so many different colors. I didn't know which one to pick and what to do with it. I wanted to use them all. So if you guys want to see that look, feel free to check me out on Instagram at TinaMBrady1 and look at my looks. I have a lot of different looks on there if you want to go check it out. So let's see if we can do some swatches with this puppy. Okay, so I'm going to go through these and swatch them. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit. Oh, wrong way. Haha. Okay, so going from this one, Lemon Drop, Party Drip, Drip Drop, Splash, Sauce, Purp Smurf, Crushin, Bossed Up, Level Up, Level Up, Level Up, Level Up, Yacht Life, Cute, Jet Set, Neo Blue, Vibez, Unbothered, and Squad. This green one, Squad. So that's them. I'm sorry I'm a terrible swatcher, but I'll get better. So I know that wasn't great, my swatches, but it's my first time ever doing swatches. That is really hard. And then you have to clean your hands off and dry them in between. Not easy. Okay, so now I guess we're gonna go into a look. I don't know what to do. All right, so we're just gonna truck along here and see what eye look I come up with. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do, but you're all zoomed in, up close and personal. Okay, I'm gonna start off with this color, Unbothered, in the crease. And I'm using a Morphe 504 brush. I'm gonna be looking down because my mirror's down here. Pretty, pretty color. See that? Ooh! That is my kind of color. Love it. I get excited when I see pigmented shades. It makes me really happy and motivated to do a look with it. Same on the other side. And mind you guys, my eyes are already primed and I've done my skincare for the day. Ooh, so pretty. Those poor brows. So sparse. Very pigmented. These shades are beautiful. Now I'm going to go into this yellow. I'm going to take that yellow on the same brush, lightly tap in there. pretty. My brows are looking terrible. I'm gonna take a Morphe Y15 and go into Splash and put that really like right below my crease of my eye. So like right in here. And windshield wiper motions. Oh gosh, she's bright. Right below the crease into the crease. I feel like these Morphe Y brushes are really short. I don't mind it, but I don't know why, so I always notice that. What a pretty color. And I'm not getting a ton of kickback. There is some, but it's not bothering me. I'm not one of those that are, I'm not bothered by a bad swatch or kickback. As long as the end product or the outcome is in my favor, I'm good. And I'm getting tons of color payoff here, as you guys can see. And I just primed my eyes. I actually was gonna use my P. Louise base in the number 0, which is white, but I decided not to do that because I wanted you guys to see the true color of these shadows or pigments. I'm gonna take my Morphe M504 brush and go back into that and kind of really get in there, trying to really blow it out. I'm getting a little nervous because I want to use that red so bad that I'm like, I'm gonna go in with the red. I'm gonna go in with the red. I keep telling myself I'm gonna do it, but I'm not. I was gonna cut the crease, but I'm not gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna just stamp it on and then blend it out and see how that goes. It might be crazy. Hopefully it's not crazy. Oh, I wanna use it so bad. Guys, I'm gonna do it. I go back into that yellow color right there, lemon drop. Go back through there. My only critique I think so far would be that there's no orange. But you can always mix the two, the red and the yellow together to make orange. Sauce. I'm going in with sauce and I'm just gonna get it on the brush and pack it on my lid, close to my outer corner. Now that I have that packed on there, I'm gonna blend it out with, this is a Morphe Y17. And go in that crease here and blend it out. Uh-oh. I might have to actually. Uh-oh. Please tell me that. I'm gonna tap a little bit on my brush and go over it. But try not to go further up than your crease area. Oh my gosh. Do you see how pretty that is? I mean, we still need to work on our blend, but Lord have mercy. That is, I just created a beautiful color on my eye. I'm so thankful I did that. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Do the same on this side. Pack it in. So, do you see how red that is? So red. Whoa. Wowza. This is something. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm in love. Woo. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into that Morphe 504 brush. I'm gonna go into Splash again, this color. Whoa, so pretty. And then I'm going back into Lemon Drop, all the way close to my brow. My brows are tragic. Look at them. Oh, they make me sad. Okay. Now I'm gonna go into a Morphe M506. It's just like a really tiny blending brush. And go back into that red sauce. Lightly tap in there and then just go back here. And blend and get a real defined color there. Oh, she's red. Like, sauce is a great word for this color. Now I'm gonna take some concealer and dot it right in the center of my eye. Then I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Now I'm gonna go into my Colourpop palette and use a different color, just because I need a little bit of shimmer on my eye, and I feel like this color that I'm gonna use is gonna be great for it. So I'm just gonna dot that right over top of that. Oh, that really made it. Look at that. Ooh. Now I'm gonna go back, kind of blend some of this sauce color. I'm gonna use this Morphe Y22 brush. Tiny, tiny. Okay, loving that. Go back into Splash. I'm gonna blow up my lower lash line with Splash. Now I'm putting Lemon Drop on top of Splash. Okay, so that is my eyes. I think the shadows are absolutely gorgeous and extremely pigmented. For now, I'm gonna go off camera, finish my makeup, and then I'll be back. Hey guys, this is the finished look. Let me show you up close. Bring you guys in closer. Nice fresh look. Ooh. Sorry. A nice fresh look for this wonderful summer. I'm looking quite glowy today, which I'm loving. As far as the palette goes, I think the palette's amazing. If you guys like pigmented, beautiful, buttery smooth, easy to blend out shades, run out and get this palette. It's amazing. So far, I've not used 3 of the shades in here. That's the one light blue, almost pewter color, and then both the greens. I believe it's Squad and Level Up. Those are the 2. I haven't used those 3 colors, but the rest of them are amazing. Buttery, wonderful, easy to blend out. So based on those, I love them, but I love bright colors. And I was looking for a palette that had those bright colors, and I actually had my eye on the Morphe palette, but they discontinued it. Hopefully they're bringing it back, but I mean, it's fine because I have them here. I'm really excited. These are all the ones that I wanted, minus orange. Give me orange. I would love orange. Orange makes every eye color amazing. So if you guys could come out with orange, that'd be awesome. Other than that, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. If you guys are still here, I appreciate your support. This is the first time I've done a product / review on my channel, and it was so much fun. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and comment down below on what other products you guys would like me to review / demo for you. I'd be more than happy to do so. And also make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and join my wonderful family. We have a lot of fun over here. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks again.